Back at you again with another Cooking Creations. I'm Chef Brandon with the Four Winds Casino. We're here at Kankakee Live. I want to do a little bit of fun stuff with the summertime. We got some fresh ingredients. We're going to go light. You know, we're all trying to get that summer bod on, so let me help you guys out with a little fresh, fun little thing here. All right, we're going to do a summertime strawberry spinach salad. A lot of people aren't real familiar with fruit in their salad, but I'm telling you, it brings it to that next level. You get a little tangy with that vinaigrette and a little sweet with the strawberries. It's gonna rock your taste buds, so get ready, here we go. All right, we got, if you could check it out, we got some spinach here. I got some red onions sliced. I got some strawberries. We got some feta cheese crumbles. We're gonna toast up some walnuts, and we got some stuff here for the vinaigrette. A little secret ingredient too. We got some balsamic, some garlic, some Dijon Mustard, and like I said, that secret ingredient is going to be a little strawberry jam. So let's get to it. So we're going to, first off, I'm going to get that frying pan on the heat because we're going to want to toast those walnuts off. They won't take real long. You're just looking for like a nice little toasty finish, a little golden brown to the color. It's going to bring a whole nother little element to the salad. So we'll get those rolling while we whip up our vinaigrette here. All right, first off, we're gonna go ahead and start with it. I got about 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. We're gonna go with probably about 1/4 cup of olive oil, maybe 1/3. I want to coat that lettuce pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and get that Dijon mustard. Dijon mustard, if you remember when I talked about the last episode, it kind of gives it that unique flavor. And then we got a little fresh garlic. Come on. I love a fresh garlic clove. Last, we're going to go ahead and put that strawberry jam in there. So that really is the component. It gives you a little sugar, a little sweetness with your vinaigrette you're going to look for, because it's got so many different flavor profiles, and a little salt and pepper in there to taste. I like to do a little blend, so it makes it a little easier for me. And then here we go. We're going to go ahead and whip up that vinaigrette. All right, now we got our veggies cut up. We did our toasting of the walnuts. They look beautiful. We got the vinegar made up. Now let's whip this salad up. Okay, we're gonna go ahead. We got the spinach. So what I like to do is I like to get it layered. I like to get it all mixed up so it's tossed with the vinaigrette and stuff. This is about 5 to 6 cups of spinach. We wanna be able to serve a few people a salad. Or if you're real hungry, bon appetit. All right, we got some strawberries here. I like to save just a little bit to top it off with so it looks good. A little red onion. That'll give it that salad a little bite that you're looking for. That creamy avocado, oh, makes everything better. Speaking of creamy, here we come with some feta. Again, let's keep a little bit just to top it with. But we'll throw it in there. That's killer when that avocado and that feta cheese gets mixed in with that vinaigrette. Boom. I like to hit it with a little salt and pepper because it's always good to season your salad a little bit. And again, toasted walnuts. We'll go ahead and throw a few of those on and leave a little bit for topping. So you see we got a full bowl here, and we're going to go ahead and hit it with our vinaigrette. Give it one more quick mix up. You want to make sure those ingredients emulsify, get mixed up together. Oh, this smells so good. That balsamic. All right, let's give it a quick little mix up here. Make sure everything's kissing and touching each other in this bowl. I don't know about you, but I feel my summer bod coming on already, eating the salad like this. Let's start plating this bad boy up here. Look at that masterpiece. A couple chunks of feta, a couple slices of strawberry to top for some color. A little bit of walnuts. There you have it. Summer in a bowl. It's beautiful, it's fresh, it's clean. Enjoy. This is Chef Brandon coming from you, Cooking Creations. Have fun.